Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about short haircut ideas over 50 women. As women age, choosing the right haircut can make a big difference in style and confidence. Short haircuts are very popular for women over 50 because they are easy to maintain, stylish and give a fresh, youthful look. One of the most classic short haircut is the pixie cut. Pixie cuts are very short, usually around the ears and neck. They highlight facial features beautifully and give a bold modern look. Soft layers or side swept bangs can make the pixie cut even more flattering and feminine. Another popular option is the short layered haircut. Layers add volume and movement to the hair. This is especially good for women with thin or fine hair because it makes hair look thicker and lively. Short layers also make styling very easy. The lob haircut is a timeless choice. A chin length bob or slightly longer looks elegant and classy. It frames the face nicely and works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. For a modern twist, you can add suitable layers or a textured finish to the bob. For those who love a bit of length but still want a short style, the lob or long bob is perfect. It usually falls just above the shoulders. Lobs can be styled straight, waves, or with soft curls, giving a polished yet youthful appearance. Short haircuts with face framing layers are also very flattering. These layers gently fall around the face, softening the jawline and highlighting the eyes and cheekbones. They give a natural, elegant look without much effort. Women over 50 can also try these stylish, often longer on one side or shoulder length haircut ideas. Short hairstyles are great for grey or silver hair too. A well-cut short style can enhance the natural color and make it look chic and stylish. Pixie bobs and layers cut work beautifully with grey hair, adding enhance and confidence. Short haircuts are not only stylish but also low maintenance. They are easier to wash, dry and style to longer hair. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.